If I could describe Gen 8 in one word.
Awesome. Exciting.
The best.
Brilliant.
Smart.
Game changer.
Beautiful.
Phenomenal.
Our designs for Gen 8 are very intuitive and are going to delight the customer. And our GM has always told us that if you're not proud of it, we're not going to ship it. And I got to tell you, Gen 8, we're very proud of it.
I am very proud of what the teams have done with Gen 8. They have poured their heart and soul into here, and they've paid attention to every little detail. If you open the box up, you can look at it immediately and see the precision design to raise quality significantly, to ease, serviceability. Those same engineers, literally every single day, they review every outage case around the world. And so they have just an incredible passion about delivering the world's highest quality server with the best experience. And I see that in everything they did.
The design of the systems, they're beautiful. They have a fantastic design that's inspired by nature and by technology and by really the way people use these systems every single day.
This is the most thorough design process I've ever seen at HP or anywhere else I've ever worked.
When you show a product to a customer and you're right on with what they were looking for, and oh man, that's great, that's awesome. And it's like Christmas morning for the guys.
Outage reports or quality reports from the previous generation, we saw a lot of customers were damaging the pin field in the processor socket.
And so this innovation is the first time that a company other than a CPU provider designed the mechanism to hold the CPU to the socket inside the system.
This thing is very cool. It's intuitive. Human factors study. They'll use it for the first time. They get it right every time. And they comment on how simple and easy it is to use.
When you open up and look under the hood, these products just look beautiful, from the cabling to the labeling to just the organization of all the components, the latches.
You can literally disassemble the whole product, put it all back together without the use of a tool, and that's one of my favorite things to do, is to actually get in front of a crowd and take the whole thing apart, strip it down to the bare metal, put it all back together within minutes.
Simple is probably one of the hardest things to do. Complex is easy. And so we spent a lot more time simplifying.
Well, one of the focuses is purposeful innovation.
Something as simple as the air baffles. So when you remove the lid off of a server, our industrial design guys were always, we got to make it look cool. We got to have these black covers, and we're going to put all these cool logos on it so it looks like you're looking under the hood of a Lexus. And so we thought, that's what the customer would want. And the customer would say, man, you take off that hood and you can't see anything. There's this black cover. What are you guys thinking? I want to be able to see what memory is populated and what processors in there. Why don't you just make them clear? Which is something very simple. And so that customer feedback has really helped us address some simple needs.
With ProLiant Generation 8, and specifically Inside Online, we've gone to painstaking limits to really understand the customer usage model.
A customer, first of all, shouldn't spend that much time with hardware anyway, but when they do, they want the software management application to show the actual representation of what the hardware really is.
Gone are the days of text-heavy trees and tables.
All of this has been doable for a long time. The question was, how much effort do you want to put into your product design in order to enable it?
Or our GM, he stopped me in the hall one day and just said, what do you feel about our products? What do you feel about Gen 8? Is this something that could be your legacy? That comes into desire for our customers, and desire for our customers to understand that we're producing something great.
I think the competition's going to have a lot of closed-door meetings once they see our product and do a teardown. And there's going to be some very heated discussions inside those conference rooms, wondering what in the world did HP do and why didn't we do something more special?
We've knocked this one out of the park. Hands down, these products are best in class.
Let the games begin, and we cannot wait until we launch these products, get them out there, and just watch the customer reaction. We are excited for that.